I'm going to be cooking and cleaning. I will show you my end of night cleaning routine, which is basically just cleaning the kitchen because I hate going to bed with a messy kitchen and waking up in the morning to a messy kitchen. In my opinion, it's the worst way to start your day. And then for dinner, I'm going to be making one of my absolute favorite things to make for dinner, which is breakfast for dinner. I love it. It's easy and quick, and I just love breakfast in general. Also, on a side note, my dog Modi, he typically loves to follow me around the kitchen whenever I'm cooking, and I know it's because he just wants to pick up any scraps that I may drop, which, by the way, are a lot. And so you'll see him a lot throughout this video. And Phoenix, she'll just lay on the kitchen floor waiting because she's too lazy to actually walk around and follow me. Anyway, I'm going to be making waffles, eggs, and sausage for dinner. You'll notice that I will be doing 2 separate waffle mixes, mostly because my boyfriend has a gluten allergy and I do not, and typically I just eat it, but waffles are my absolute favorite, and so I really like to eat something that is normal in my mind. That's how I see it. Like I can tell it tastes different. Also, yes, I do realize that the glass stove needs to be cleaned, the rings around each burner. I actually did it the next day, but I'm sorry you have to look at that because it is now bothering me as I'm editing this video. The onions are for the scrambled eggs. I don't know if a lot of people do this, but whenever I make scrambled eggs, I typically always add a little bit of onion for some extra flavor to it. See the southern in me coming out. I love to cook scrambled eggs in the fat from the bacon or sausage that I had made with breakfast. It adds more flavor and it just, to me, tastes better. and it was delicious. Okay, so now to the cleaning part of the video, and yes, I am already in PJs. I ate and changed immediately. Really, the kitchen was not that bad. I like to do the dishes. The rest of the house stays pretty clean, so I don't really have a routine at night with that, but I do cook in the kitchen every day, so I want to make sure it's clean before I go to bed. Okay, so I know I go on and on about our animals, but seriously, how can I not? Look how cute they are. It's so annoying. It's hard to just discipline them because they just give me their little dog eyes or their cat eyes, and I love them. That's about it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you can get notifications for any and all of my next videos if you're interested. My next video will probably be me Christmas decorating, which I'm definitely behind on because it's already after Thanksgiving. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a great week.